So in this episode I will wave to the camera, I will be a reckless fire starter, I will put on gloves and rebuild a front subframe. So I finally decided that I will clean up this filthy steering column and subframe, and to do so I will need these things. A set of screwdrivers, set of brushes which looks the same but they are not, a chemical which will kill trees and fish, and I strongly recommend to have as well a pair of gloves. So and here's the semi-final product. Cleaned steering rack and subframe, and yeah, it's still not perfect, maybe never will be because nothing is perfect, but yeah, I will still need to remove the engine mounts, the both side, and I will remove the steering rack as well from the subframe, and also these bones, since yeah, this need to be a lot of stuff changed, but I just wanted to have it cleaned at least, so it will be not that dirty, because I can just look at it how dirty it was. Now I'm satisfied. And yeah, at some point this work had to be done, and today is actually Sunday, so I didn't want to bother my neighbors with loud noises, with grinding and so on, so I just decided to do something which is a quiet work, so I just cleaned it. So I want to work more on the engine bay, and this subframe is a bit annoying that I need to still go around it, so I want to move it somewhere away. I cannot put it here because here is already the engine, so I want to just take it somewhere, but it's too heavy, so I need to remove these parts of the both sides, so it will be only the subframe with the servo or power steering, and then I would not say easily, but it will be easier to move it somewhere than in this when it is together. So just remove some parts from it, and then I can lift it. Alright, so it's not surprising me, but every bolt shows here, and actually this one as well just broke. Yeah, that's fine. I was not planning to reuse them anyway, but yeah, this was just icing on a cake, like yes, this is how it should be. So just let's remove this nice part, and then yeah, the whole arm can go off, which is great. So the bolt for the stabilization bar was not going easily, so I used a little help of fire. So now I will transform this old dirty stabilization bar, and I will change as well the old bushings on it, and yeah, just transform it to a nice new one, or kind to be a look-alike new one. Let's do it. Okay, so I would say that for this car it's a standard already. So yeah, another rusty piece which was on this stabilization bar. As you can see, yeah, it's full of rust, so I need to cut it, get it somehow away. But don't worry, I have here a new set for both sides. So I will change these and these as well. I should be here. Change that as well, because the original ones are like no use. This is broken. These are broken. Yeah, I think it was the original one, maybe from 30 years ago. So yeah, let's continue. So I did some cleanup in this area because it was full of dirt, and I think it's not a great area to work with. So now it's a little bit clean, and the bar is cleaned as well. I will use some anti-rust stuff and treat it so it will not, yeah, rust. So yeah, it's treated with the anti-rust stuff. Actually, I don't believe that there are some magics, I don't know, potions or something which you use and then yeah, the rust just disappears. This helps a little, but yeah, of course it will be not like new. If you use some anti-rust protection or something which remove rust, just let me know in the comment. I can maybe try it next time. For last few months I'm using something called Resol, and I'm quite happy with it. So yeah, maybe there is something better. Let me know. So now, when this stabilization bar is freshly painted, it's time to put the new bushes on it, and as well the steering, I don't know, or stabilization rods, or how it's called, stabilization link. Okay, so that. And I will now clean up the subframe a little bit more. I painted the subframe off camera to nice black glossy color, so it will be ready to install the power steering, which I also painted off camera into silver, so it will have a nice contrast. So here we have our subframe with power steering already bolted in, and now it's time to fix these things. So as you can see, yeah, all of it is already dead, so yeah, no way to refurbish it or fix it, so the fix is this. So here I have a new rod, new end, and new cover. So yeah, just need to remove both sides and yeah, use new parts. Easy. Okay, now when we have the steering assembled with new parts on both sides, it's our time to assemble the sway bar, which also have new bushings and end links. So yeah, time to get this here. Okay, so once again I'm in my professional paint booth. As you can see, I already painted this one. This, I don't know which side is actually, I need to think. Yeah, it's most probably the passenger side. Actually they are the same, so yeah, it's up to me where I put it. Yeah, that's just a side remark. Okay, so yeah, welcome to the paint booth, and I will now paint the other arm the same way as the one which is already painted, and I will use my beloved body 950. And okay, so let's do it. So the front subframe with steering rack is ready to get inside the car, so yeah. I would love to do it in this episode, but I will do it in the next one. So thanks for watching and see you soon.